Good morning and welcome back to another video. A real different one. Yes, I'm back in my garden, but my shed is in absolute rag order. I've had an influx of new kit. To that end, I know a few of you on here are kit perverts. You like to see things, how things are stored. I've no idea this is going to turn out. I'm not the tightest a person, so long I kind of know where the ins and outs, where things are. I'm happy as long as we're in that area within a meter radius. So I'm going to show you before, and I'm going to fast track it and show you the after. Stick with it. So here we have it, the mess. I've literally just been dumping things in here. And now I'm on leave for a week. I'm going to try and smash this out in one day. So here's the before. So most things are out. Some things are staying in place. I'll show you in a minute. But can you see it? Yeah, you can see that. Some things are going to plan, and I'll just give you a quick show around what I've just done so far. Then I'll show you everything what's got to go back in somehow. But all of it was in there anyway. But somehow it's all got to go back in. But fingers crossed, we'll win. Bear with me. So, quick sweep. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet, but I've moved the black shelves over the corner there. Got my new silver one. It's going to go in. Need to put another one there. However, I've got things resting on it outside, and I need a clear pathway through. So you can see what I've done so far. I've got to move my toolbox chest over, put a shelving on top, and then excuse the admin grenade. All this, not the barbecue staying outside. There's my shelves. Yeah, all this is somehow got to go back inside. I'm going to crack on, put it all back in, and I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end. Wish me luck. I think I've done it. Sense of humour failure now. Christ, didn't realise I had so much stuff. Right, let's show you around. So on this shelf then, I've got all my cook stuff, which was not really changed anyway. I just poked stuff back into it that I thought needs to go into that. Okay, so all down this shelf is to do with cook stuff, and at the bottom is just fuel and toolbox and just miscellaneous. Okay, on top shelf then we've got my trimmers, axes, and you know, anything like that. A bit further down, stuff I've taken from my instruction, from my lessons. So boards, wood that's drying out to help me with the friction fire. Again, bottom shelf is miscellaneous. This is my easy to grab stuff. That's what I take out with me all the time. Again, instructional stuff. Jerry cans, sleep systems, whether it's a roll mat well, it's not a sleep system, roll mats, beds and hammocks and ponchos or tarps, however you want to see it or say it, sorry. Backpacks, more backpacks, tools, chainsaws and stuff like that. Just a workspace counter here, my bows, that's pretty much it, you know, toolbox. Yeah, it's taken most of the day and I can't wait to get out of here. So that is it. Thought I'd make a quick video, emptying, reloading. You know, I did have a big black toolbox in here. I managed to get rid of that to a friend, which gave me more room to put more shelving in, because it was just, as you saw, horrific. I think that's an understatement. So this is it. I'll close up, set the alarms, and I'm going to go and chill out with a rather large glass of tea. Sophisticated. Yeah, so I'm going to go and chill out with a big cup of tea after I've set the alarms in here. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, amazing, thank you so much. If you would have done things differently, please comment below. I'm not going to listen, because I'm not going to change anything now unless it's an amazing idea. Because honestly, I've had a huge sense of humour failure doing this. I think I've bit off too much, more than I can chew. But I've done it. I could go to bed proud tonight. If you want to support the channel, there'll be a link below to buy me a coffee. If not, you want to support the channel a different way, you can subscribe to my channel to be one of the GVO disciples. Okay, I think that is $2.99 a month. All proceeds go to supporting the channel, whether it's brew kit, food, or anything I do on this channel, and fuel and stuff like that. If you want to see me review anything, if there's anything tickling your fancy, please don't hesitate to comment below. If you just want to take the mickey out of me because I'm chubby, please comment below, capital letters. Okay, to that end, you've been watching Green Valley Outdoors. So catch you at the next one.